Okay guys, I told you I was going to do this, so I got my 32-gallon bag, I got my tape, and I got my controller so I can turn the fan on. So let's check this out. Let's see how it works. Okay guys, so my wife says I'm a little weird, and she's probably right. So what I did was I took my 32-gallon construction cleanup bag, and I went ahead and blue taped him. I got a gap there. I'll fill that in before we do the video. I got the fan off. I'm going to tape this up a little bit better. So it's a 32-gallon bag. I figure I'm probably losing a gallon because I got a little bit of it taped down. Let's call it 30 gallons just for the sake of this video. And I'm going to get my stopwatch on my phone going, and let's see how fast she fills up. I wish I had another camera, but my little GoPro kind of sucks. I don't really like it, so I'll have to get the stopwatch off camera, but I'm going to tape this up a little better. I'm going to turn the cooling on to this zone by itself, so it's full speed, and I'm going to time how long it takes to fill this bag up. I'll be back. Alright guys, I've taped it up better, so it's good. Let's do this. I'm just going to count it out. I can watch the timer on my video timer here on the phone. So, you know, I won't get fractions or anything, but let's just get full seconds. Let's see if this works. So I'm going to go ahead. I got my controller here. Let's put let's see, master bed. Okay, that's this zone. And let's do cool. And let's turn it down. And let's wait for it to come on, and we'll time it. So should be clicking any second. We'll watch the bag fill up. Might have to wait for the delay. Yeah, it's probably gonna be a few minute delay because it's got those stupid Vision Pros. I could go down and put on test mode, but all right, hold on. Oh, there it goes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's right. So. Okay guys, we're fully inflated. So what I'm going to do is, let's redo this again. I think it was about 7 or 8 seconds, so let's do this again. This is kind of fun. Okay guys, we're just waiting for the delays to stop and the system to kick off, and then I'll kick it back on. It's doing its post-purge. But what I'm going to do this time is make sure the bag doesn't get caught on the bed. That's what happened. So it didn't fully inflate. Like, see how it's all pushed up now? And we'll get a real reading on it. That's kind of cool. It's been probably 25 years since I did this. An old school tech taught me this a long time ago. He didn't want to buy a flow hood, and it actually worked. We could dial stuff in pretty good, and the customers were happy. So let's wait for it to shut off, wait for the bag to deflate, and we'll do it again. Okay guys, we're back for this weirdness. So the bag is fully deflated. I let all the air out. I just popped some of the tape and pushed the air out. What I forgot is this is on the zone panel, so it's got that post-purge. I could run out and make it stop, but we're good now. Let's put the cooling back on. I'm gonna try to pull these flaps up as it goes so it doesn't hit anything, and then we'll count how long it takes the bag to open. So let's do this. Let's go back to cool, and she's on 65, so it'll take her a second to come on, and see what we get. Kind of looks like Yoda right now. All right, and I'll count. So I'll count where my camera's on as far as seconds. So I can see the counter in front of me. Then we'll do the math. I'll show you the math out on the whiteboard. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, guys, that was almost 6 seconds on the dot. So let's go do the math, and I can tell you how many CFMs this register's getting. Pretty cool, huh? I'm not going to complain. You can do this on your own system and balance it out. I'm telling you, it works. So, yeah. Yep, 6 seconds to fill up, and we're going to call it. It's almost the whole bag. Let's go. We'll do 31 gallons and do the formula on that. So let's go over to the whiteboard. All right, guys, we're over to the whiteboard here. So let's do the math here. So that's I said it wrong. It's not a 32-gallon trash bag. It's a 42-gallon. Let's say we lost a gallon just by taping it down, and maybe that is the full 42. Whatever. This is fun to do. So, 1 gallon equals 1 cubic foot. Or sorry, 1 gallon is 0.134 cubic feet. Okay. So let's say 41 gallons equals 5.49 cubic feet. We filled that bag up in 6 seconds. That's 1/10 of a minute, okay? So what we're going to do is times that 5.49 times 10, and that gives us our 55 CFM, 54.9 CFM. And that's pretty good. That's about what that room needs. It's a small room. But it's pretty cool. If we change this, let's say it filled up the whole bag to 42, to change it a little bit, and we'd be more closer to 60, whatever, you know. It's a good way to verify that you're getting airflow to all rooms. So you could take that bag and take it down to all your rooms and see if you're getting even, if the rooms are equally sized. Kind of cool, though, watching that plastic bag blow up on there. So, yeah, if you don't want to buy a flow hood, buy yourself a Hefty bag and some blue tape and go crazy. Thanks for watching, guys.